I have arrived right here at Pecan Bakeshop. Again, they specialize in nothing but cookies. And this cookie shop, it was recommended to me by one of my dear friends, April. Big shout out to April. So April, on today, you know, as I reflect on my mother, who was a meticulous baker, and she enjoyed making wonderful cookies, and some of the favorites that she made were sugar cookies. The sugar cookies with the buttercream frosting. She made a black-eyed Susan. We had peanut butter cookies, you know, your more traditional cookies. But on today, this Mother's Day, as I reflect on my amazing, wonderful mother, we're gonna go inside and take a look at some of these cookies. So guys, I think there's a line in there right now. When the line goes down a bit, I'll go inside and we're gonna take a look at the different cookies that they offer here, okay? Stick around. Hey guys, welcome to Go Taste and See. Today we are in Emeryville, which is located in the Bay Area. And folks, we are at a cookie shop called Pecan Bakeshop. Now, there are 3 other locations. One is in Pinole, there's another location in Fairfield, and the other in Pleasant Hill. So on today, guys, let's head inside. Let's see what we have here. So one of my favorite cookies is just a basic peanut butter cookie. And I happen to have a great recipe for one also, but I haven't made it in a while. I mean, I haven't made it in years. Okay, so let's take a look at these, okay? Yeah, this is the brown butter pecan. Look at that. And it's a nice size cookie, as you can see. Cheers. Okay. Of course, you can taste the butter right out of the gate. Delicious. It's soft on the inside, and I like the edges. They're crispy. They're crunchy. As you can see, I like that. I actually prefer a crispy cookie over a soft, gooey cookie. But this cookie right here, it offers both. But the flavor is delicious. You can taste the pecans in there. You can taste the butter. Really nice. So let's try out this next one. This is the oatmeal raisin pecan cookie. Oh my goodness. I want to eat all this right now, but I'm not going to do it. Once again, on the outside, it's crispy. The raisins are soft and plump. I also taste cinnamon in this as well. So this, yeah, oatmeal raisin pecan, yeah, it's definitely a superior oatmeal cookie, all right? Now let's try this one right here. This is the walnut brownie. Yep, that's the walnut brownie, guys. Oh, right out of the gate, this one could be my favorite. I think this is my favorite one so far. The inside tastes very much like a brownie, but it's in a cookie form, okay? But it's gooey on the outside, it's crispy, crunchy. Oh, and the chocolate, so delicious. Let me take another bite of this. That's bussin'. That's bussin'. Okay. That is excellent. Again, my favorite one so far, the walnut brownie, okay? Now the next one that we have right here, this one, take a look up close. This is their tea cake. Their tea cake. Cheers. Okay, that reminds me of a butter cookie, a simple butter cookie, but that one has nutmeg. That nutmeg is definitely pronounced. It reminds me of eggnog. I'm getting eggnog, butter cookie / sugar cookie. Okay, delicious, especially if you're a fan of nutmeg. Okay, so this one must be a special. This is a churros sort of a cookie, a churros sort of a variation, this cookie right here. So let's try it out, okay? There it is, boom, and boom. Cheers. Yeah, definitely heavy on the cinnamon. It's gooey and it's soft on the inside. That one, I like to keep a churro. Okay, but if you like a cookie form with heavy cinnamons, then perhaps you'll enjoy this cookie right here. Yeah, guys, so I've tried, again, 5 different cookies. The oatmeal, that's my second favorite one. The oatmeal raisin pecan. Okay, that's my second favorite one. My number 1 favorite is the walnut brownie. This one right here. If you love brownies, if you love a chocolate cookie. Oh, again, there's walnuts in here. Delicious. That's my favorite one, guys. That's so good. So again, if you are in the Bay Area, guys, Butter Pecan Bakeshop. Okay, again, 4 different locations here in the Bay. Go to their IG page. Check them out, guys. And I believe that their IG is Butter Pecan Bakeshop. Butter Pecan Bakeshop. I'll put that right there. Butter Pecan Bakeshop. Guys, thank you so very much for watching, guys. If you like this type of content, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And oh yeah, again, today is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. By the time you see it, that day will have passed. But perhaps when you see this again, you can yourself reflect on your wonderful mothers, okay? I'll see you guys at the next spot. Bye-bye.